Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best automatic pot stirrer is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed. Imagine perfectly stirred sauces, soups, and risottos, all without the constant effort of manual stirring. This video dives deep into the world of automatic pot stirrers, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your cooking experience, freeing up your time and ensuring evenly cooked, delicious meals every time. Number 5. StirMATE Gen 3 Automatic Pot Stirrer. Introducing the StirMATE, the revolutionary automatic pot stirrer. It takes the hassle out of cooking, allowing you to enjoy hands-free stirring for perfect results every time. This device stirs soups, stews, and sauces to your desired creaminess. It gently sweeps the pot bottom, preventing food from burning and sticking. The StirMATE self-adjusts to fit pots from 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches deep. It's designed for versatility and ease of use in various cooking scenarios. Enjoy up to 10 hours of stirring on a single charge. It recharges in just 1 hour, or you can plug it in for continuous use. The StirMATE features variable speed operation, with a max speed 1.5x faster than the previous generation. This allows you to customize the stirring to your specific needs. Enhance your cooking experience with available attachments. The stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNI-XL stirrer are sold separately. What we like? This automatic pot stirrer offers hands-free stirring, allowing you to multitask in the kitchen. With variable speed settings, it adapts to different recipes and consistencies. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient cooking companion, this is the perfect choice. What people say? It did exactly what I wanted it to do. I was pleasantly surprised by the build quality and heft of the device. With this device, I could literally almost set it and forget it and watch the corn cook itself, allowing me to focus on the rest of dinner. Number 4. Stirr Automatic Pan Stirrer with LED, red. This innovative device is designed to save you time in the kitchen. It automatically stirs your soups, sauces, and more, so you don't have to. The stirrer features a unique design that allows for hands-free stirring. It has 3 speed options, indicated by LED lights, and moves forward and backward during operation. Simply place it in your pan or pot and press the button to start. Press it again to turn it off. It's that easy to use. The removable nylon legs are heat-resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius and safe for non-stick pans. It's also food and dishwasher safe. This cordless stirrer requires 4 AA batteries, not included. It's easy to use and convenient for any kitchen. With dimensions of 8.8 by 4.6 by 4.6 inches and a stylish red and gray design, it's a must-have for any home cook. Get yours today. What we like? This unique automatic pan stirrer features an LED speed indicator and removable, heat-resistant legs. It's designed to save you time and effort while cooking. If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use gadget for everyday cooking, this is a great option. What people say? Easy to use. Makes Alfredo and cream-based sauces a breeze. The design of this product is both appealing and practical, making it an excellent choice for continuous stirring. I was very pleased when I used it to stir the fudge I was making. If you ever made fudge, you know that it takes a lot of standing and constantly stirring. I was a great help. Number 3. StirMATE OMNI-XL Stainless Steel Stirrer. Introducing the StirMATE OMNI-XL, a stainless steel stirrer designed for the StirMATE Smart Pot Stirrer. It's the only stainless steel stirrer available. This attachment makes cooking easier. This stirrer is incredibly versatile. It adjusts to fit pots from 7 to 14 inches wide and 4 to 12 inches deep. It can handle pots up to 5 gallons. This is perfect for high-temperature applications. It's ideal for coffee and nut roasting, candy making, and making roux. It's built to handle the heat. The OMNI-XL comes with 4 configurable U-paddles. This allows you to adapt to various pot sizes and contents. You can customize it to fit your needs. Please note that the StirMATE Smart Pot Stirrer is not included. This is an attachment designed to enhance your existing setup. Get yours today. What we like? This stainless steel stirrer attachment is designed for large pots and high-temperature applications. It's perfect for coffee roasting, candy making, and more. If you need a stirrer that can handle demanding tasks and large quantities, this is the one for you. What people say. The StirMATE device with this high-temperature, large pot add-on worked perfectly for a huge pot of gumbo my husband made. This baby allows me to do something else while it is heating. If not, it automatically stirs your pot for you. Number 2. LAMPCOOK Automatic Rotating Cooking Pot. This is a new concept pot that changes the way you cook. It automatically rotates, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and perfectly. It's designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. The pot's innovative design takes the hassle out of stirring. It rotates continuously, preventing food from sticking and burning. This feature allows you to focus on other tasks while the pot does the work. This product is proudly made in Korea, ensuring high quality and durability. You can trust that it's built to last and provide excellent performance. It's a reliable addition to any kitchen. With this pot, cooking becomes effortless. It simplifies the cooking process, saving you time and energy. It's perfect for busy individuals and families who want delicious meals without the extra work. This pot is more than just a cooking appliance, it's a culinary innovation. It brings convenience and efficiency to your kitchen. Get ready to experience a new level of cooking ease. What we like. This automatic rotating cooking pot introduces a new concept in cooking. Made in Korea, it offers a unique and innovative approach to meal preparation. If you are looking for a cutting-edge cooking solution, this is worth considering. What people say. I purchased this LAMPCOOK pot so that I could make stir-fry rice with vegetables without having to stand there and constantly stir for up to an hour. The pot is also much bigger than I thought, which is a good thing. It is 11 inches across the top and about 10 inches inside bottom. It really helps cut down on actual stirring time for sauces and pudding. Number 1. Stirr Plus Automatic Pan Stirrer, Red. This is the Stirr Plus, the automatic pan stirrer. It helps you cook effortlessly. You can now focus on other things while it stirs for you. The Stirr Plus is designed for easy storage and handling. The USB charging stand is compact, and the stirrer itself fits perfectly in your kitchen. With just a 2-hour charge, it provides up to 4 hours of continuous stirring. This ensures that it lasts through your cooking sessions without needing constant recharging. It automatically stirs your soups, sauces, and more. This frees up your time for other cooking tasks, making your kitchen time more efficient. It features 3 adjustable speeds and a timer. This gives you precise control over your cooking. You can set it from 1 to 10 minutes. The detachable nylon legs can withstand temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. It's safe for non-stick cookware. Cleaning is easy, as the legs are dishwasher safe. It comes in a stylish red and gray color combination. This adds a touch of style to your kitchen gadgets. Get yours today. What we like. This stirrer comes with a rechargeable USB stand and a built-in timer for precise cooking control. Its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. If you like convenience and ease of use, this is a great addition to your kitchen. What people say. It works great, just don't overfill your pot, make sure it has room to move. Anyone who has a problem with pasta sticking to a pan should definitely try this little beast. Controls and speeds are nicely done, and it's in your hands how you use it effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.